2025 Event Decor Trends with Pioneer. Trends shaping event professionals. Hosting an event is an emotional expression, one of celebration, gratitude, solemnity. Whatever it may be, your business reputation thrives because you evoke an emotional response that exceeds client expectations. So how can professional floral designers and event planners continue to achieve this? Keeping an eye on trends in style and event behavior is key. Discover a boost to your creativity and actionable trends here. Where floral applications are trending. What colors and varieties are in style. Why certain ideas are prevalent and how to achieve them. Where? Trending places to use flowers. Today's clients and guests want a transformative experience, and floral design plays a significant role in this. For example, a tech summit might call for futuristic linear designs with neon flowers. However, from corporate parties to weddings, the leading style trend continues to be the creation of a thriving natural oasis. Whether it is an enchanted forest or a pristine beach, no matter the event or season, there is a universal desire for people to connect with the outdoors. If you are planning an outdoor event, choosing artificial flowers and foliage can make the design process easier. These materials complement the natural environment, adding an extraordinary touch. For indoor venues, floral installations can transform a space, making it feel as though you are outdoors. We are moving away from traditional single-arch focal points at weddings and events, with a trend now toward grounded and suspended installations. Ground installations, a stable and achievable event feature built directly from the ground up. It creates a complete backdrop for a wedding ceremony, stage, or any focal area. On the floor, designers can also create a pathway through the event. Gone are the straight lines. Now, a meandering journey allows guests to take their time. Intricate florals at their feet invite guests to literally step into a new world from the moment they arrive. Tip: start with a faux garland to carve the way. This organic-looking material, safe for laying on flooring, means there is no wire, foam, or plastic to conceal. Hanging installations. A more advanced technique. Hanging florals are trending because of their ethereal cloud-like beauty throughout an event. Suspend them from ceilings using temporary hooks or existing light fixtures. Tip: it is important to consider weight, which makes artificial flowers and foliage a popular choice. With their lifelike appearance, especially when placed up high, professionals appreciate their lightweight nature and durability as valuable assets. Dressing up interactive elements. Overall, flowers are becoming more prominent at events. Guests are discovering that a cake meadow is more luxurious than simply placing a cake on a table. A flower-covered phone booth vignette, where guests can leave memorable voice messages, has a greater impact than a guest book on a podium. Guests are more open to floral decor than ever before. What? Colors and flower varieties and style. Clients want to convey a sense of effortless beauty. From makeup and fashion to decor, they rely on professionals to make events look as though they appeared naturally, yet still take your breath away. How can designers achieve that allure? Trending materials. Wildflowers. They evoke a sense of nonchalance, as if just picked from the field, yet they deliver astonishing beauty. Moving away from pampas grass and dried materials of previous years, this updated style brings color naturally. Mini flowers. Mini blooms layered for texture are far trendier than bulbous flowers. Clustered small blooms create an intentional look, harkening back to personalization. Layering materials, colors, and textures creates a juxtaposed vibe of effortless thoughtfulness. This technique can be used throughout the event to add depth and personalization. Here are a few trendy ways to implement layering this season. Layers of neutral tones for a color palette of quiet luxury. Think shades ranging from ivory to mocha. Layers of soothing, natural textures, such as a variety of wood tones and natural elements like matte stone and rattan. Moody monochromatic palettes look effortless because they draw from nature, yet layers of color add depth and beauty, such as dark blues, grays, deep greens, and amethyst. Layers of other natural elements with flowers, such as feathers or fruit. The colors and textures add depth, which in turn brings richness and sophistication. The bright side. Professionals have influenced floral trends by showing clients that bright colors are transformative, and it is catching on. Bold colors help make industrial environments more welcoming. Bright palettes inject life into stark white minimalist spaces, allowing personality to shine. Rich colors make historical, refined venues more approachable and modern, adding effortless beauty. Bonus trend: infusing education into experiences. Consumers are increasingly drawn to experiences that engage and educate. From podcasts to informative lectures, people are seeking opportunities to learn and connect on a deeper level. If you are exhibiting at a bridal show this year, consider incorporating an educational element to provide your prospects with valuable insights. For example, allow attendees to build their own color palette using silk flower stems, try on different bouquet sizes, or explore other interactive learning opportunities. This approach not only adds value to their experience, but can also yield significant long-term benefits for your business. Why? Prevalent ideas around events. Trends go through a cycle from early adopters to oversaturation. The key is to be prepared for the trend as it reaches its peak. This year, two familiar themes are rising to define the future of events. These imperative themes are no longer on the periphery, but at the core of every client experience. Sustainability. There is a collective awareness and value placed on sustainability. 2 years ago, the Knott's Real Weddings study revealed that 1/3 of couples included eco-friendly options in their weddings, and this number is rapidly increasing. The awareness of the waste that events generate is top of mind and increasingly actionable for clients. Tips: invest in reusable containers rather than discarding plastic dishes. For example, using ceramic coffee mugs at a conference rather than disposable ones creates a cozy and welcoming atmosphere while being sustainable. These small changes can have a significant impact on a large scale. Renting reduces waste. This applies to structural pieces and containers, but also to the flowers themselves, especially with lifelike artificial flowers. Personalization. There is a strong desire for novelty and personal expression. While personalization can mean using someone's preferred color, it also refers to the attention to detail. Bespoke elements, the little things that make an event feel one of a kind, are the true trend. By using floral elements, professional designers know how to convey feelings of calm, happiness, or rejuvenation. See our trend report for more on emotional expression. Tip: give your guests a silk flower stem to add to a focal wall for a personalized and interactive moment. Give your guests pieces of the tablescape to take home as gifts, creating personalized memories and adding a sustainable element.